Hello everyone, my name is Pransu and I am from Cored Docker. In this video, I am going to solve some problems of DSA. So, here we have our first problem in which we have to fix our bug. Now, if we see our code, here is a small bug in this code. I also mentioned here what is the bug. Uh, Here is a small error in the above code. We have to replace this OR operator with AND operator. So if I do this, then our bug is fixed now. Let's check it. So I am going to um, define a number which is 64. Now I am console.log, and what is the name of function? The name of our function is power of 2, and we have to pass an argument which is our n. And now our code is running well. There is no bug in our code right now. In this problem we had to sort people according to their heights. So we have a just define a function name sort people which have a two parameters, names and heights. Here we set names and heights. So now we are in this function, we are just defining our length which is equal to the length of heights. So if we run this code, then here we get an error which is heights dot length is not a function. So simply we have to remove these parentheses, and after that we will resolve this error. If now we run this code, we will get our actual answer. Our actual answer is C, B and then A, because if we see here, the height of C is 132 and the height of B is 131 and the height of A is 130. So it is an descending order. Here the height of C is greater than the B and A, and same as the height of B is greater than A. So this is a perfect order. Next problem is we had to a logic building coding question which is transition point. Here we set our array. Now we in this array there are 5 elements, 0 0 0 and 1 1. So in the line number 6 we are just defining our function. The name of function is transition point, and in this function we pass an parameter name arr, which is simply means array. Now we are just setting our loop. In this we are iterating our index from our array. So for let index in arr, and now we are just saying if our arr and the number of index. So we are just iterating a particular index. If the index value is equal to 0, then we have iterating this particular 0, and if the value of index is equal to 1, then we are moving ahead to the next element, uh, which is a similar to previous one, 0. If the value of index is 2, then again we move ahead to the next element which is also 0. If the index value is equal to 3 uh, 3, so we are moving ahead to the next element which is equal to 1, and we are just saying if our value of element is equal to 1, then please return its index. So we are just returning it index. If there is no 1, if there is no 1 in our array, then return -1. So if we just consoling our result and calling our function and just passing our argument, then we will get the index 3. Just we are just running the code, and we here we get 3. Now in this fourth problem, we are going to flipping an image. So here we define our image, and which is we can say a two-dimensional array. Inside an array there is a four another array. For flipping this image, we have just declared a function named flip and invert image. In this function we just pass our parameter named image. After that, inside this function we just defined an empty array which name is result. Now in line number 9 we are just setting our loop. Inside this loop we are just iterating our value from image. So what will be the first value? The first value will be this first element, this first array. We gonna say this first array. Okay. So after this we are just declaring an other inside result named array, which is also an empty array. After that we are just setting our second loop, which is inside the previous loop. So in this loop we are just adding the values of our value. So what will be the first value? This is our first value, and we are just iterating our I from 1, from then 1, then 0, and then again 0. So what will be the first I? Inside this value array we will get as a I this first element. What is the first element? First element is equal to 1. So inside this, if we are just setting a condition, what is the condition? Condition is I is equal to 0. So we can easily say that our I is not equal to 0. Then what will be happens? It will happen that our if condition will become false. So after that else condition will executed. Inside else we are just pushing a 0 inside our result. So this is our empty array, and here we will just push 0. Now move ahead to the second element. The second element is equal to 1. The same logic will apply it, and after that another 0 will be pushed this inside result. We move ahead to the 0, and when we move ahead to the next element, which is a 0, then this if condition will be true. So what happens? Inside result we push our 1. After that again we move ahead to the next element, which is a 0, and here we will push our 1 once again. And after that, when this particular loop will complete it, we push our inside result into the result. Then again this whole loop will uh, running continuously when it will reach at the end of the array. So after that we will return our result, and if we run this code, we will get, it's taking some time, it is taking some time. Yeah, here we got our result 0 0. You can see this is a totally inverted version of our image. If there is a 1, here we get 0. If there is a 1, here we get 0. If there is 0, then here we get 1. Okay. This problem we have, the name of problem is spacecraft communication log length of last word. So it's a very easy. We have just just getting the length of our last word. So here is a string which is fly me to the moon. Now we are just setting our function, which is the name of function is len last word. Inside we are just passing our parameter s. So now in we said we are just creating an array. Inside array uh, we will split our whole string into words. After that we will get our last word. What is the last word? Last word is the moon. So how can we get it? So we will use index method. So array dot length, what is the length of this array? 1 2 3 4 and a 5 and minus 1. Then what will be the value of this particular? This the value of this particular will be 4. And then what we are um, just iterating for the element which is a at index 4. So here we will get our moon. After that we will console.log last word dot split. We again just creating an array and will we will get here length by this length method. And now we are just calling our function here. Okay, if I run this code, I hope we will get 4. Yeah, we will get 4 here. Okay, so this is the last problem. And here we can say if there is a single word, it is the best case for our execution. And if it is a long string with many words, it will be the worst case for our function. Okay, thank you.